Today's topic is student luggage. Hey there, are you planning to travel abroad? Today, we're talking about luggage, what to take and how to pack it. Let's get started. First, there are two types of luggage. Cabin luggage. This is the bag you take with you on the plane. It goes in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Checked luggage. This bag goes in the plane's belly. You check it at the airport and pick it up after your flight. Make sure to check the size and weight limits for both bags. Each airline has different rules, so check before you pack. Now, let's talk packing. Here are some quick tips. Roll your clothes. This saves space. Use packing cubes. They help keep everything organized. Make a packing list. Write down what you need so you don't forget anything. What should you put in your cabin luggage? Travel documents, like your passport. Valuables, like your phone or laptop. A change of clothes and any medicines you need. Keep your luggage safe. Use a lock on your bags, and always keep an eye on them at the airport. It's a good idea to put your contact info on your luggage too. Consider getting travel insurance. It can help if your luggage gets lost or damaged. Better safe than sorry. When you're at the airport, use luggage carts if you have a lot to carry. They make it easier, and remember, know where to find baggage claim when you land. Don't forget handy accessories like luggage tags, packing cubes, and a scale to weigh your bags. Traveling with special items. Make sure to check the airline's rules. Some things, like sports gear or musical instruments, might need special handling. Now you're ready to pack your bags and travel. Remember these tips, and you'll have a great trip. Happy travels!